In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Capcut template not showing in TikTok. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure that you are watching a video on TikTok that has this Capcut template or this Capcut try this template button. Because there are some videos that doesn't show this because they simply re-uploaded their videos. So what we can do is to try to find the templates. So we want to go back to our home screen. And from here, you want to tap on the search icon in the upper right of the screen and search for CapCut templates. And from here, you're going to see videos which use CapCut templates. So from here, we want to select one. And from here, we want to scroll through and make sure that the CapCut template is showing. Because as I told you, there are some videos that doesn't have this button simply because they just re-uploaded it. So that's how you find CapCut templates. And another thing, if it doesn't work for you, what you want to do is just simply switch to another account or create another one. So how to do that? We want to tap on our profile icon. And from here, we want to tap on these three lines at the upper right of our screen and choose Settings and Privacy. From here, we want to scroll to the very bottom and just tap Switch Account. From here, you will be asked to switch an account or create another one. And if this still doesn't work for you, if you can't see those templates in your other account, what we can do is to go to our home screen and go to Play Store. From here, we want to make sure that TikTok is up to date. So as you can see, my TikTok has this update button, which means that my TikTok is not up to date. So what we can do is just update our TikTok account app. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.